14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 20, 26, 28, 30, 32, 38.
Okay, that's good. Can you count by threes to 30?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, very good. Can you count by fours?
Yes. 4, 8, 4, 8, 12, 6, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32.
Keep going.
30, 36, 40.
There, that's good. Okay, and now we're going to start at 74. And we're going to count backwards by twos. Okay? Start at 74, and then you're going to count
70,
backwards.
72, 70, 68, 66, 64, 60, 62, 66, 58, 56, 57.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so looking at this array right here, okay, if you look at this, how many dots do you think is on this whole card if you can just see these ones right here?
$40.
Okay. Tell me how you figured that out.
35.
Okay. How did you get that?
I just multiplied 8 by 5. Well, 7 by 5.
That's how you got 40 the first time, as you were thinking
Yeah.
there was 8?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, okay. On this card, there are 6 rows. Okay? So there's 6 rows altogether. How many would that be?
24.
How did you know that?
4 times 6 equals 24.
Okay. All right. Now I'm going to just ask you some questions. Ready? So, if 16 pencils are shared among 4 children, how many pencils would each child get?
16 pencils?
There's 16 pencils and 4 kids. How many would each child get?
Four.
4. How did you figure that out?
So I counted by fours forward until I got to 16, and it just popped in my head. 4 times 4 is 16.
Okay, and you knew that 16 was the amount of pencils. But, okay, so you knew that. Okay, ready? Now, if I have 27 cupcakes, and I need to put them in packages of 6, how many packages do I need?
How many in each package?
6. Okay, well, what if I told you this? Not all the packages are gonna be full.
Oh.
Does that help you?
Yeah.
Okay, now try.
Okay.
You can bring your hands up here. I'll show you. You can use your fingers if you need. It's fine. So what are you thinking? There's 27 cupcakes, and they go in packages of 6.
So there's gonna be 4 packages, and there's going to be 3 leftovers.
3 leftovers. So could you put those in another package?
No. Well, you can.
You can, yeah, but I understand what you're saying. Okay, very good. So, okay, here is 3 times 7, okay? If you know that 3 times 7 equals 21, how could that help you solve 6 times 7?
It can help you because it's a double. All you gotta do is plus 21 and 21
Okay.
equals 40.
How does that work though? Because,
Wait, let me think again.
well, you figured it out.
Okay.
Yeah, but I was just looking for some words. It's okay. It's a double-double? Okay.
That's what we call it.
You call them double-doubles? All right. 8 times 7. It's 50. Okay. Could you read this for me, please?
8 times 7 equals 56.
Okay, very good. Can you use these 3 numbers to make a division number sentence?
Yes.
Okay, all right, very good. All right, now to these ones. What is the answer to this?
Two.
Okay, so what's the answer to this?
8.
How did you figure that out so fast?
You just flip flop these numbers, and then you put a division number, and you put the answer right there.
Okay. Okay. All right. If I told you that 15 times 3 equals 45, what would 16 times 3 be? How do you know that?
You just add 3 more to 48, or to 45.
Why would you add 3 more?
Because 15 times 3 equals 45, and if you put 14 here, it would be minus 3.
But it's 16,
Yeah.
so you added 3. Okay,
So yeah.
that's good. Okay, now, I've got a little candy story to tell you. I could probably use real candy too, since I gave you guys candy. Okay. There's some candy boxes out here for you. I want you to imagine this box holds 4 candies. It's a small box, okay? Okay, if the small box holds 4, okay? And the medium-sized box uses 2 times the amount of the small box. How much would be in the medium box?
8.
8, okay. And if the large box uses 3 times as much as the small box, how much would be in
60.
there?
Let me think of that again. 12.
12. Why would it be 12?
All I gotta do is add 4 more to 8 equals 12.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, if the medium box holds 4, okay? If the medium box holds 4 and it holds twice as many as this, how many does the small box hold?
Twice as many?
Yeah, this one is
Two.
twice as many as that, so then there's, okay. And then how much would this one have?
2 times more than this one?
This one, remember, had 3
Six.
times as much as this one.
So 16? 12 still?
Why do you think it'd still be 12? If this one was, you said this one's 4, this one's 2. So what do you think this one's gonna
Oh. Now this one is 8, right?
be? Okay, that's good. Now, if this large box has 9 pieces of candy, okay, has 9 pieces of candy here, and it holds, remember this one holds 3 times as many as this one, okay? This one holds 2 times what that amount is. So how much is gonna be in the medium box? There's 9 here.
So but it takes half of that?
Well, there's 9 there. Okay, remember there's the amount that was in here. This one held twice as many as that. And this one held 3 times as much as that one. This is a trickier one. So you'd have to think about this one. How much is in this one? And this
Oh,
one is twice as many.
3.
And this is, that one's got 3. Okay, then how much does this one have?
6?
And this one has?
9.
Okay. All right. Now, this is, we're almost to the very end. Okay, you're doing an awesome job. Okay, there is, each lily pad is 2 feet apart. The frog jumped from the first lily pad to the last. How far did it jump?
8 feet.
8 feet. How did you figure that?
By count by. So you so I know there's 2 feet in between these, so you count each one 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay. All right. All right. The last one. Okay. So, how many squares would you need to cover this rectangle completely? I want you to look. This is where the rectangles would go, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right in between. Okay, so how many rectangles would fit in there?
21?
21. How did you get 21?
7 times 3 equals 20.
Okay, you are all set. Way to go. Good job, buddy.